Hi, if you want to add camera and microphone access to the quick settings on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you will need to swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and check those features in this tab. If you cannot find them, you can always use the settings icon. Here, select the full screen and choose them from the available buttons. Here they are, camera access and microphone access. Now to add them, you can just tap on them like that. And now they appears on your control center. Save the changes by tapping this done button. And now let's swipe again. Here, swipe left, and now you can see the camera access and microphone access. You can press and hold the camera access, for example, and here, if you enable it, you can just choose to allow apps to use the camera if they have the appropriate permissions. Just tap on the switcher to enable, and now you can block access to the camera, so all apps will be blocked from using the camera. And you can do just the same with the microphone. Let's tap it, and we can block access to the microphone. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.